Is your Brother HL-B2000 Series printer not printing at all? Whether it's stuck in the queue or simply not responding. This is a common issue across many models. In today's video, I'll walk you through few simple and effective methods to fix the problem step by step. Just follow along and you should be able to get your printer working again in no time. If you need extra help, you can call the numbers displayed on the screen for one-on-one assistance. Otherwise, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Cancel the print job and restart device. Open Settings and go to the Bluetooth and Devices. Click on Printers and Scanners, then select your printer. Click on the Open Print Queue. Click on the three dots, choose Cancel All and confirm by clicking Yes. Turn off your computer, then restart it. If clearing the print queue didn't solve the issue, let's move on and make sure your printer is set as default device. Also, please subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Method 2. Setting printer as default. Open your computer and click on the Start menu. Type Printers and Scanners in the search bar and open it. Scroll down to Let Windows manage my default printer and make sure it is turned off. If it's on, toggle it off. Scroll back up, find your printer in the list and click on it. Select More Devices and Printers settings. In the Devices and Printers window, right-click your printer and choose Set as Default Printer. Now, check if your printer is printing properly. Still not printing? No worries. Let's try updating the printer driver to fix any compatibility issues. Method 3. Update printer driver via Device Manager. Open the Start menu, type Device Manager and launch it. Expand the Print Queues section. Find your printer, right-click on it and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and let Windows find and install the latest updates. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.